Hello viewers, I Sanjit Kumar Verma, a faculty of RVP High School, welcome you to our second YouTube video. Viewers, it gives me immense pleasure when I share with you something really interesting. And in this series, today I am going to give you a glance of an institution which we can say a real gem. It's working silently without any show off, thriving continuously. Viewers, I am talking about RVP High School and I am going to share you some features of it. Dear viewers, it has a well structured, well equipped and well arranged building for your kids in which they can feel like home. Friends, this is our reception area and you will be served here by our extremely talented receptionist Mrs. Usha Rani. This is our principal Mr. M. Shankar Rao's room who works along with our vice principal Mrs. Tandra Sarkar. This room gives you a pinpoint precision of our extraordinary achievement. This is our corridor which gives you a view of our faith, beliefs and inspiration. Friends, we also provide your children library with more than 5,000 books of all kinds of subjects necessary for your children. Smart class facility is provided so that your children would not remain lag behind at this modern time. Friends, we have well-designed classroom which provide your children a space where learning can take place in a positive environment. In Corona time, we are providing classes taking all kinds of safety measures necessary for your children. Besides, we have well-equipped computer classroom for your kids to keep up the pace with the modern technologies of the world. Dear viewers, at this modern time, physical health has become more important. For this, sports are very important for your kids. We understand this, therefore we provide all kinds of sports equipments to your kids and children such as football, volleyball, cricket kits, etc. Friends, we are nature loving people, so we facilitate your children a garden like view outside in balcony and on the terrace. Dear parents, your children's safety is our first priority, so we keep all types of safety equipments ready anytime, such as fire extinguisher, first aid kit, and of course, at this corona time, we provide them hand sanitizer and masks too. Dear viewers, please like the video if you enjoyed it, and if you want to hear from me again, be sure to hit that subscribe button and press the bell icon. For more information, kindly visit to our website www.rvps.in or contact us at 620-326-2270. Thank you.